this is another part of that revitalisation of our culture.
This is not just for us, this is for our iwi, not only of today, but our tūpuna and also uri, e heke mane.
How exciting it is to be able to take our iwi, our hapu and our papakainga on that journey.
Over the past 3 weeks we've been on the water, practicing salutes, practicing strokes, practicing stroke rates, and then we're having land sessions. The beauty of having both whakaawe experts and kaihaka experts is you're able to lean on each other's skills.
We have leaders such as Baronia Scott, who is one of our kairaranga here for the marae. She's been able to help our kairaranga and our wahine through this process of whakarake i te waka, to dress the waka and adorn the waka with all of these beautiful feathers and the whatu and the harakeke of the kāinga.
We've had that massive gap where almost a generation hasn't grown up with the knowledge that exists around this idea of a whakatauā. It's its own knowledge set. That's one part of a library that's been missing for ages, and we found the keys to the door to open it up again.
You can already see the benefits of the waka. It's drawing on the different elements within Orake, our kaihaka, our kaihoi, our kaimanaki. We're revisiting ways we used to interact with each other in the past. We're hoping this is a magnet for more to come. And yeah, really laying our presence on our moana.